What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you all for subscribing to Not Your Father's Capital. In this video, I'm going to talk about Cardano, get in a little price prediction that was made, as well as tell you guys a trade that I have been making and my prediction for Cardano and outlook entering 2023. But before we do so, if you have not done so, hit that subscribe button down below and like this video, as well as leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you guys have to think about Cardano, and let's get down to it. So here we are. There has been a recent price prediction, Cardano hitting $10 in 2023. So a little bit clickbaity / bullish for my liking. I hope they're referring to the end of 2023, not by the start of 2023. That would be an outrageous pump, and I think we would all be doing very, very well for ourselves if that was the case. However, I just wanted to use the graphic from this article to show you guys where we are currently at with the Cardano price action at this time. As you can see, we're trading currently around the 40-cent level, and there has been very sideways, kind of bouncing off the 38-cent level of support, as high as 44 cents. When we're talking about Cardano, and I have been trading it as such. Okay, so this has been a play I've been making for weeks when it comes to Cardano. This is a reason why I'm in very, very support of what Hoskinson is doing. They are just not flashy when they come out with developments. They take a more low and slow approach. They get things right the first time for the most part, and that's just kind of where I'm in belief with them. In their roadmap. Okay, so when it comes to this trade I've been making, I've been kind of bouncing back into that, 39 cent to 40, 41, 42 cents, and just kind of waiting to swing trade it back and forth, and just do, high volume coins with low transactions, just to kind of, you can make a little percentage of gains back and forth, and it has been very, very steadily trading sideways with those levels, with that range from like 38 cents to 45, 46 cents. So that's just kind of where I've been on that, and that's been working well for me. So I want to get into a little bit about my price prediction when I look at Cardano. But as you can see, it's trading at 40 cents. It's very, very important to note the relative strength index of 39.20. The token is very, very underbought. Okay, it is a screaming buy, and I like to tell people when I talk about Cardano, I refer to it as it's on clearance. Okay, it's not expired. It's not going to expire. However, it is very, very on sale. So that is just how I look at it from a long-term Cardano holder. I do have enter points that I'm not too proud of back at the all-time highs, just because at those times we were talking about $12 being a price point for Cardano and target. So being down at 40 cents, it is definitely a good way to dollar cost average your way back to reality and sanity. But for Cardano, you can see we're at 40 cents right now at the time of this video, and just continually just having this nice stretch of sideways action where you can kind of bounce up, bounce down, and swing trade it as such, as we haven't really broke out from this, 10 cents either direction, which is nice if you're going to do that. Okay, so however, a long-term outlook when we talk about Cardano, $10 is not where I want to be at right now. Okay, I'd love it, but in all reality, I think to keep sanity, we should just be talking about getting back up to a range of $1.30. I think that's a very good price target for the end of 2023, bearing some crazy deregulation and softening of interest rates, and a very huge amount of institutional money flowing back into crypto. However, I think we can start talking in 2025 and beyond about possibly getting into double digits, because when I initially invested in Cardano, I remember it years back, the price target was $12. that was the price, like the outlook at that current moment in time, and it was trading in the $2 range. Okay, so it's kind of been the same for me. At $2, Cardano's been cheap. At $1, Cardano's been cheap. At 40 cents, Cardano's been cheap. And if you zoom out in this bear run, it is just this is you could see it right here. It is the bottom, right? So you have to go back to 2020 to see it under 10 cents. Okay, so this is just very comfortable for me. We would have to go down 75% here to get to its all-time, or I'm sorry, back into the the lows before we had this bull market. So in 2021. So that's just where I'm at with Cardano. So let's just focus on getting it back to $1.30. I think would be a very conservative target to look for, and then we can talk from there into double digits. But let me know what you guys think. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and drop your comments down below, and we will see you all on the next one.